14 players, depending on how you count. Of course, we will have Honey Royce Tupino, one of the veterans for Farm Fresh. Trisha Tubo will be there. We'll have the former FEU setter Jel Cayuna. We'll have MJ Phillips. Myla Pablo is there together with somebody also from NU. Is it Tori Guidetti, who has, of course, coached in Italy. He was the women's national coach for Sweden. And he comes from a family of volleyball coaches. Underway, first point, and immediately there's a violation. At least 3 rallies ang expected.
And there are also some adjustments to the rules.
Cayuna. This one is off the hands.
Strong swing from Just a
good spreader of the wealth. In the meantime, this cut shot, tracked down, kept in play. Tough angle. Hirap ang defense. Kept alive. Cayuna goes the other direction. Uy, first long rally. And that will be scored upon by Tubo. Already scoring 3 points, as Neil pointed out. Nice pickup from the middle. The middles are activated. Ball is swung over to the other side. Reverse, blocked, alive, and a great one-handed pickup. The tap. Crowd is screaming here. Dito sa volleyball pwede, sa tennis hindi ka pwede magsisisigaw ng ganyan. Oh, that is long. And Tubo will be serving now. Alam mo, maganda rin hindi tournament, In a way, you get to play everybody. I guess so.
These are just exhibition games, if you would put it that way.
I
They
don't-
would still want to win. But ang pinakamaganda siguro for me would be the chance for the other players to
I
get
agree.
playing time. Because the regular seasons, all Philippine.
In the meantime, cutting with that serve. Oh, that's right through 2 defenders. On to Rigo. It's red. It's set up, and that's inside. Tubino's serve. They're up by 1 rather. That is partially blocked, but kept very much in play. Molina strike, recalibrated. Cheng goes the other direction. It's off the block, out of reach.
So teams are now starting to roll out.
I like it also when she does it on 2. Ang nakakagulat eh. In the meantime, here comes a strike. Long. Lalim. Problemado. Cheng. And that is eventually going to be called 4 touches. Is going to serve. Turing. The Cebuana. That's on the floor already. Is that John Sabete? No, it's Leandro Guzman. Janelle Chang waiting for the referee's whistle. This is partially blocked, and it's off the block as Molina scores. Myla Pablo yung isa and get a setter against Ces Molina. Almost the same body type, skill level. In the meantime, here's the attack from the other wing. Picked up downstairs. Whoa! In cleanly. Butas na butas. Si Riri, master na niya yung mga
Because they've been controlling the serves of the Chameleons.
That is so true. Reached for by Molina. Back row strike. Really big shot. So hot to handle. He is also here in the now. They go up against Akari when we are done here. That is blocked. Cheng has a hand on it. But Farm Fresh just scoring at will. They've scored 4 straight points.
Overall, they've been playing better compared to NextLed.
Romero serve in play. MJ Phillips gets that to score as the defensive line on the back row unable to handle it.
Ang dali for Riri Meneses to just read the
Babasa-
ball.
Yeah, parang automatic na, matic na kay Riri. In the meantime, out of reach. So Beda, volleyball team, off the hands and scored. EJ Laure. Camillian. Si Myla, Mylene Paz. Mahaba na rin ang pangalan. I think she married also somebody. And we're in service. Cayuna trying to activate that center now. Got some dividends from Acuna. Sad that Signal had to move on because buo na yung team na yun, eh. That could have won something, you know. But, you know, life offers.
When it comes to choosing her attack points and angles already.
Correct. Aristolenada is in the game already, and this one is touched before flying out. Straight into the waiting hands of... Oh, but that is drilled in cleanly by Cayuna. Yatura. Off the hands. Ah, straight and true. Acuna drilling it in.
That's more like it, says Jel Cayuna. Sakto din yung pasa.
Clean reception. Molina. It flies over the net. High up and out, but touched last before finally flying away. Picked up deep. Molina and Clarkson scores. 2-point lead by the Foxies. Twisting set, MJ Phillips. It's still alive. Recycled Phillips again. Kept in play, whipped inside, and not a problem for Farm Fresh's Tubo drilled it in. Well, masayang-masaya yung samahan ng Lala National High School. Sila sumusuporta sa Farm Fresh. Lahat, Siko, Mata, whatever is available. Oh, linis na.
One blocker.
Oh, sumalok pa baba, oh. Did not play. In the meantime, 22-21, but I'll get back to your point after this play. In the meantime, here's the toss. Whipped and hitting somebody before flying out, and Farm Fresh now comes to 20. Riri Menezes serving for all of us. High up and down. Here comes the set from the middle. Contained, and there's a double block that seals the wall. Acuna and Cayuna. Sounds like a law office. They've sealed that wall.
Farm Fresh is not yet.
Vanny Gantler before, eh. No? Pagka maganda yung blocking, nare-reset ka agad. In the meantime, that is slapped against the hands by Tubo. And we arrive, and Riri is now our server. We are knotted at 2. And look at this. They had 2 in the first set. Set up by Cayuna. It is blocked, but kept alive by Sabete. Into the deep ends. Phillips will serve. Good set by Romero. Yes, kung minsan sa set pa lang, alam mo, maganda yung pupuntahan.
Romero up front, the shorter blocker. So even if you get checked the first time, you can try again on the second to get it out of bounds.
Let's see if she makes that adjustment. It's now hit long. This is whipped in. And Farm Fresh getting away with everything they want to do so far. Ito, isa pang player. Pag nanggigigil, mas lalong gumagaling.
We're just finding all the right spots on the floor of the Chameleon.
Elevated. Whipped inside. Bang Pineda all over that ball. Runner. Yes, it will connect. Cruz. She will continue to do that. Here's her southpaw serve. That is just before the line. Ang kapunan ng next leg. Iniwanan sila. 7 straight points. Finally, they end that long drought.
That's what I like about Janelle Cheng as a setter. Even if they didn't get the point in the last.
Muso lang nga kuminsan eh. Abby Marano, our ever popular Chang, is on the floor. And that is down and out. Molina.
They have an easier chance to defend that ball pag alam nila na okay, it's either sa left or sa right lang naman pupunta eh.
Wala naman tayong pupulbima sa gitna. No,
They're getting a lot of block touches against the Chameleons.
Here's Cheng sliding nicely. Oh! Managed to create that opportunity for Fernandez well. Alam mo si Fernandez, gusto ko siya coming off the bench. Laki niyang mag-provide ng impact.
He can be the smart plug, already know what you did wrong, so we just have to polish some of our movements on the floor to be able to get the next point.
Like this, Janelle Chang sets this up very nicely for Fernandez, who has scored 2 in a row here. 13-6. Ganda ng set. Lutong. Ang lutong.
Trisha Tubu is even attacking from the back row. An inch to next leg.
No,
in
wala.
the second set. It's a convincing 8-point lead.
Oh, but Fernandez, 3 points already from her. Gel serve. Stretch 4 by Tubino. The cut shot. Bandy the back row attack. Roll on the floor. The whip, and it's returned to Sunder.
Through for Trisha Tubu. These are the two best blockers in the side. Set placement for Trisha.
14-8 count here. Farm Fresh with a 6-point lead. That is blocked away. And Molina slamming it into that wall they tried to put.
Rookies sa mga veterans. Sometimes less is more.
And you know, it's not all power. It's okay to turn it on when you have to. In the meantime, placement yun.
Ang bilis nung
Oo.
recovery ng Farm Fresh because they know na pag gumana na itong medals consistently from the Chameleons, they will also. Nandun naman yung EP natin.
Bahala sila doon. Save nyo, ha? In the meantime, heave high to keep it very much in play. Here's the fake, the block, and it is way out of reach.
Solid wall.
Yung pag-load up, pagpitik. Krish. Oh, she gets that. 18-10 count. Big swing by Tubino. Handled well by Nexlid. Reached in. Runner. Oh, into the corner.
From high school pa sila magkasama rin eh. Then Adamson and now in Farm Fresh.
Locked. Airtight.
It's
Solid.
the best feeling in the world.
Oh,
So
20-10 tally. First set going the way of Farm Fresh 25-23. But this one is in the deep corner. Abby Maranya trying to perk up her team.
meron din siyang sariling version of a slide attack. That's also one of her signature.
Patented yan eh. No?
Attack point.
They couldn't complete the fourth. In the meantime, whoa, blocked. And that's something to feel good about. 20-12 is the count. Fielded. And this one crawls over the net.
Ngalang swerte pa.
Pinakita ko sa kanya sa picture namin dala. Sir, tago mo yan. Huwag mo ilalabas. Oh, Farm Fresh scoring again.
On the floor, they're very good defensively, specifically in the digging department. But right now, something's really not clicking. Even the reception has been faulty. And
That's why they're digging into their bench. It's 24 set point 22 or 12. Sorry, my mistake. Into the back row. Dorendes made it a set. Cayuna. And Nexlid stays alive here. 1.2 at a time ito. Kaya na ba tapusin ng Farm Fresh ngayon ito? Tapos. Ganun kasimple. Katapos ng 25-23 na first set, 25-13 tayo dito sa second set. Set 3 po tayo. First two sets, you missed us. 25-23, 25-13 ang winning scores ng Farm Fresh. You know, Tubino has been such a wall in that back row. And that does not cross
You can't go all power. You have to be able to get the right targets first.
Ayan, no?
Kahit hindi ganun kalakas,
Oo.
basta nasa tamang spot.
Basang-basa siya, di ba? Romero's, oh, what a set to the other side. Cesc Molina going all guns here.
There's a tendency for you
I
to
agree.
overthink
Yeah.
everything.
Why are we like this? You don't know why. And a regalo is pounced upon. It's 3-0. In the meantime, the set by Cayuna. It is in play. One-handed set. Punched high. One of the few long rallies we've had. Buhay pa oh. Buti na alala ni MJ third ball na. But Tubo is just unceasing here today.
Mahirap na feeling. Parang naghahabol ka na
Wait for
naghahabol.
the error of the other side, di ba? Eto, pinush up. Tapos ang sipag ng Farm Fresh today, keeping the ball in play, and this is now 5-0. Here's Romero. Comfortable na rin si Louie pag pinapalitan siya ni Iris. Ano? Dati nung una parang may since they scored. First point of next leg. Second point of next leg. Tino must be saying, wow. Mike Lone. In the meantime, pinuntasan na naman sila. 6-2.
Louie Romero just pulling this.
Negros Occidental. Same place where basketball player James Yap came from. That's jammed. Elevated. Tubo connects in the corner.
This one is really troublesome for next leg.
No?
Kasi mag-commit ka lang saglit sa middle blocker at maiba to ng mabilis ni Louie Romero.
Takot. They gotta take chances also. Okay, set it up properly. Then we attack. This one too long. Look at this. Meron pa rin. Wala. MJ Phillips serving. Binal. Tubo, unstoppable. She scored 3 quick points when she was inserted in the second set.
Na siya pumupunta sa left side niya, hindi siya forced to go to the left
Yeah.
side. And that's the biggest difference for next leg kasi they're forced Kasi hindi naaabot yung sets level just like that. Out of system play, Rafaela Pablo makes it work, finding that.
DJ Lauro Carino uncorks their serve. The set, the cut, the catch. And that'll work down the line with Tubo blasting away.
Tempiatura.
11-6. Cheng. That's a wallop.
Like it.
Yep.
Yeah. As long as you get it at the highest point, you'll get a good chance of killing that ball. Pag bumaba kasi,
Doon kasi nagdalawang isip ka 11-7 po ang ating bilang. Tinulak. Tinaas. Tinapik. Binaon. Down the line.
angle this time from the right side.
Pablo.
Just identifying all of the open spots. Open up a lot of possibilities for the attacker on the other side.
Sabi ng Meda, layo. Sige na. Ooh. And that's 3 points in a row. Now, that's blocked. All around. Serving play. Back row at work. Punched over. Cheng gets it to go. Stuck at 11-6. 5-0 run by next leg. Rotation going full circle now as Romero serves Cheng. One-handed push. Really made it a set. And Tubo knocked it in 2 straight points by Farm Fresh.
out of bounds.
Kept very much in play. Romero. That's inside.
It was out, but there was a block touch up front.
Here it is, Nick. Block touch ba? O inside and out. Inside and out dapat. Yan. Agad. Romero's serve. Tinusok. And that'll make it 14-12.
It was a big quick setup for MJ Phillips. Ang layo nung positioning niya sa block.
Tututuro si Tobino.
No whistle.
You play on. Blocked. Kailangan talaga, setter ka rin, no? La Rosa spikes it over. Di ba may allowance tayo sa libero for this tournament?
Yeah.
I know there's one rule that
You can set beyond the attack. Iwasan ng Farm Fresh na uminit si MJ Phillips. But right now, dialed in na si Jel Cayuna by giving MJ Phillips a lot of attempts.
sige, para matapos to, mag-Tricia Tubo na tayo. In the meantime, Molina's serve in play. And you were saying, as Phillips scores anew, binubusog ni Cayuna si Phillips.
Alam din naman ni Jel Cayuna kung anong ginagawa her middles.
Elevation and conversion. Dikit sa net. Phillips. Huli sa ilalim. Romero. Tinaas. Winalis. Winalis to sa blocker. In the meantime, reading Meneses. Dikit sa net. No problem.
Best hit MJ Phillips entire game.
You see Ocho, 5-2 count in the aces. Farm Fresh has more. Binalik. Tinaas. Recovered from the back row. Romero sets up Tubo. Not precise. Cayuna. Fernandez knocks it down. May kamay itong Fernandez.
Fernandez.
Kasi wala pa akong pasalubong. I'm sure meron na yan. Okay. 18-17. 1 point affair in the third. This is inside and we are tied.
Cayuna is now recognizing init ni Fernandez.
Tabla sa 18. Anybody's third. When you need a point, Tubino is also there. Lamang ng isa ang kupunan ng Farm Fresh, leading 2 sets to love. This one, we're tied. Dug up. Blocked. And in the lead is Nexlet.
Slow down the ball sa harapan pa lang, so it's easier for them to transition to their counter-attacks.
And their initiative switch is on. That punches through. Tobino takes a deep breath. Picked up downstairs by De Guzman. Tough angle. It's in play. Elevated by Tolenada. Into the back row!
Fans on their feet.
Tobino all fired up. Short.
Timing was just off. The set was high. Bola.
Yeah. Kasi pag mataas, lalambot din eh. Di ba? Palo! Nabutasan sila at bawin-bawi.
Wasn't the strongest
Yeah.
of hits.
Gusto na umuwi ng isa. Pero palagay ko, lipat bukas pa yun. That is inside. That brings them to 23.
That's the biggest contribution talaga from Cesarina. Aside from the points that she delivers.
Cruz. And we are done. Straight set win